do the unboxing of the Room Essentials nightstand and the 4-drawer dresser from Target. Let's get right to it. All right, so right now I had to get some help, switch out to the garage. So I went and got the Baseman 767 with me because we got 3 of these to build and needed some help to get them done quickly. All right, so we're about to go see if cousin likes the Celsius or not. He's about to try Celsius for the first time. We had a good night. Now it's Celsius time. All right, cousin.
I don't know, bro.
So what do you think?
It's alright.
It's all right. Let me see the flavor you got. He said it's all right. The Baseman 767. Y'all go follow him, y'all. The Baseman 767. All right, so we already got one of the 3 built. We're almost done. Number 2. I have to get Uncle to come out to help us here. Try to build these a lot quicker. What's going on, Uncle?
I'm good.
Cousin working on the drawers over there. No trash. Still got one more to get done. Room Essentials, Target. All right, so I went ahead and just threw a few things on the top of it so you guys can kind of have an idea what it looks like, how big it is, how tall. It does hold a weight. We put 2 of them together. It does make a full-size dresser. It's not bad at all. Installation wasn't that hard. It is some form of particle board, but it works. Did notice this little gap right here. Other than that, it's decent. We'll see how it holds up. Same with the dresser. You kind of have an idea, you know, how many things you can fit on there. It's not bad. Pretty simple, decent quality. We'll just see how long this lasts for. So for $161, is the 4-drawer worth it? Yes, it definitely is worth it. It does have the metal legs on the bottom that will raise it about 3-4 inches. I wouldn't put any water on there. Remember, guys, it is particle board. The nightstand is about $60. It's a little bit pricey in my opinion, but for the quality of it, I guess you can say it's decent. Just remember, if you can get some help to help you install it. Like and subscribe if you found this valuable.